Today we will prepare chicken stew, and let's get to work. We will start by chopping the chicken. We add salt and pepper, and we will take to reserve, and we will chop an onion finely. We will cut a carrot into slices, and we cut the potato into slices, and we will blend a tomato, and we started cooking. We add a splash of oil. Once very hot, we will add and seal our chicken pieces with salt and pepper. Once it is golden brown, we will turn it over. Being golden on both sides, we will remove. We add onion to the pot. We stir with a spoon. We add garlic, red panca chili, and stir very well. Pepper and a little dried oregano, cumin, and bay leaves. And we will add our liquefied tomato and we let the dressing get to a good point. The secret of a good chicken stew is to make the dressing over low heat, and it will give it a flavor. Very tasty. And we added our previously sealed. We mix. We will add a little water or chicken stock, but I prefer to use CHICHA de JORA, which gives it a very special flavor and aroma. We add the CHICHA de JORA, sliced carrot, and a little bit of peas. We rectify with salt. We will proceed to cover and leave for a few minutes, but over low heat, from 6 to 8 minutes. We will add our sliced yellow potato. We add raisins, although some do not like it. That is optional. We will finish cooking in 8 to 10 more minutes. And to give it the final touch, we add chopped cilantro. Accompanied by its classic white rice, this chicken stew was delicious. To finish, it's chopped cilantro accompanied by its rocoto. If you liked the video, share it. It helps us to continue.